Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 2-bedroom, 2-bath manufactured home at 27 Easy Street in Harbor Crossings. Harbor Crossings is a land lease community based in Egg Harbor Township. So this is a brand new house that we just finished up. There's still a little bit left to be done, so we have to put sod out in the front, but everything else is ready to go. Here we can see the living room, kitchen area is really spacious. You could easily put a nice island in the middle and a dining room table here. All the appliances in this house are Whirlpool, and they have a warranty through the manufacturer. So here you can see you've got a cable jack right here. There's also one in both of the bedrooms. Here's the refrigerator. This is a side-by-side fridge on the right side and a freezer on the left side. So you've got a ton of cabinet space in here. These shelving in these 3 cabinets is not adjustable, but all the other shelving is. You can see also that it comes with a slow closing mechanism, so there's no slamming of the cabinets. Got this really great looking baby blue subway tile. It spans the whole kitchen. And you've got these 2 windows right here, perfect. So when you're doing the dishes or whatnot, gives that good sunlight. Here is the dishwasher. Here is the microwave right above the stove oven combination. Here's the oven. And right below there's also a heating tray. And this is the room you could have your washer and dryer in. It would be perfect to sit side by side here. This is your back door. Here's the view from there. You can still see the sod needs to be put down. And this is your driveway here. Also got a ton of cabinetry space here. Again, that slow closing mechanism. Right here is the thermostat. This is the first bathroom. Sink here, cabinetry space below. This is a single fiberglass bathtub. The light above. Medicine cabinet right above the toilet. And here's the bedroom. It's got windows right here. You can see the deck perfectly. Here is the closet. Get 2 extra screens in there. Here's your whole house shutoff valve, and on the other side you have the data plate. So this has all the extra information about the home. And here is the second bathroom. So you've got sliding doors here, and there's 2 seats there. There's your sink. Now we'll take a look at the second bedroom. Up first, this is the furnace. This is responsible for the central air conditioning and forced hot air in this house. The nice thing that I like about these new furnaces is that they have a very easy filter change at the top. And here's that second bedroom. You can also see that there's a cable jack here as well. And this is the closet. Now, if you're interested in this home or any of the other homes that we offer, please go to www.myhomeinharbor.com. There you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions, which will get you started on the path to owning your dream home. Thank you.
Harbor Crossings is a Dolan Homes community owned by the Dolan family. We're a small family business. We've been in operation for almost 40 years now. This is Robert Dolan, who is the managing member of Dolan Homes. We build innovative, quality manufactured homes in our 3 New Jersey communities: in Edison Mobile Estates, Harbor Crossings, and Carteret Mobile Park. This is my husband, my nephew, and my son. This is our amazing crew. Everyone's on board to build you the most beautiful manufactured home. This is our maintenance team in Harbor Crossings. This is our construction team. Our community is a beautiful, safe location for having a home, making it affordable. Harbor Crossings pays the real estate taxes, so you're leasing the land, and we're building beautiful manufactured homes. This is my husband and myself. This is our office fronting Black Horse Turnpike. You can email us for an appointment. We see everybody by appointment only. This is our office. We have everybody go to the website where all the explanations, the process, and the available homes are listed. We're really proud of our location. We're in the downtown Egg Harbor Township area, just about to be redeveloped, which is called the Cardiff redevelopment. And it's going to encompass the whole area in which we are located. And they'll be adding more sidewalks and better access to stores on the other side where the old Boscov's and the Harbor Square is located. And it's a very exciting time to be in Egg Harbor Township. We're minutes from the beaches and great locations. So come check us out. We can't wait to hear from you. There's our website. That's where you start.